Every glass product begins as minerals extracted from the earth and transformed.
High-purity silica sand provides the essential structural foundation for most glass.
Limestone improves durability and helps stabilize the chemistry of finished glass.
Soda ash lowers melting requirements, helping factories process glass more efficiently.
Additional minerals adjust strength, clarity, color, and other important glass properties. These raw materials travel through coordinated logistics toward the glass manufacturing facility. Inside the factory, every ingredient waits separately before precise preparation begins. Laboratory testing verifies purity and consistency before materials enter production. Automated batching systems measure every ingredient according to the required glass recipe. Measured ingredients blend together into one consistent mixture called the glass batch. Recycled glass, known as cullet, returns valuable material back into production. Optical sorting removes contaminants before recycled glass enters the manufacturing process. The final batch is ready for glass manufacturing's most demanding stage, melting. The prepared mixture enters a furnace designed for continuous extreme temperature operation.
Extreme heat gradually softens solid ingredients, beginning their transformation into molten glass.
Inside the furnace, separate ingredients merge into one continuous molten glass mass. Refining allows trapped gases and bubbles to escape from the molten glass. Homogenization balances the molten glass, creating consistent composition and temperature throughout. Controlled cooling gives molten glass the precise viscosity required for shaping. The conditioned melt divides into precise streams, feeding multiple forming stations. Precision cutting divides continuous molten glass into measured portions for forming. Inside precision molds, controlled forces begin transforming each hot glass portion. Controlled internal pressure expands softened glass against molds, creating precise final shapes.
Controlled cooling relieves internal stress, preventing cracks and stabilizing the finished glass.
Automated inspection detects tiny defects before finished glass reaches the market.
Finishing refines edges and surfaces, preparing glass for its intended application.
Specialized treatments can enhance glass performance, durability, appearance, or optical behavior. Final inspections verify dimensions, surfaces, clarity, and consistency before shipment.
Protective packaging secures finished glass against impacts, vibration, and transportation damage. From factories, finished glass travels worldwide, becoming essential products across modern life.
Architectural glass transforms manufactured material into facades, windows, and modern skylines. Automotive glass is shaped, layered, and precisely installed for modern transportation. Molten glass becomes bottles and jars that safely contain everyday products. Precision polished glass controls light inside cameras, microscopes, sensors, and advanced technology. Specialized glass protects energy systems while allowing sunlight to reach them.
Specialty glass is engineered to withstand heat, stress, and demanding environments. Final finishing refines glass surfaces, edges, and performance for specific applications. Automated inspections verify every finished glass product before it leaves production. Approved glass is protected, stored, and prepared for its journey worldwide. From factories, glass travels through global supply chains into modern civilization.
Thousands of engineered glass panels can transform buildings into transparent modern landmarks. Engineered glass gives vehicles clear vision while protecting passengers during travel. Glass containers protect food and beverages from factory filling lines to homes. Precision glass supports medicine, laboratories, research, and scientific discovery worldwide.
Advanced glass becomes the transparent interface connecting people with modern technology. Advanced architectural glass helps buildings balance daylight, heat, and energy efficiency. Specialty glass combines industrial precision with design, texture, and artistic expression. Specialized glass protects solar technology while allowing sunlight to reach energy systems. Precision optical glass shapes light for cameras, microscopes, telescopes, and science. Scientific glass helps researchers observe, measure, and control complex experimental environments. From raw minerals, glass becomes architecture, technology, transportation, science, and civilization. Glass begins beneath the ground, where mineral raw materials are carefully extracted. Measured minerals are blended into a precise batch before entering the furnace. Extreme heat transforms carefully prepared minerals into one continuous mass of molten glass. Refining removes internal imperfections, creating uniform molten glass ready for precise forming. Refined molten glass is shaped into bottles, sheets, fibers, and countless products. Controlled cooling relieves internal stress, helping newly formed glass remain stable. Precision finishing and inspection prepare glass for its final purpose. From Earth's minerals to modern life, glass completes an extraordinary industrial journey.